Hands down, Pinterest is one of the most amazing platforms where you can actually use it to promote your stuff, either articles, websites, YouTube videos, digital products, affiliate products, and so on, to get more traffic and visitors and for sure sales and make money online. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best free tools that you can rely on to market and to promote your stuff completely for free. So now let's get started. And the first tool in today's video is Shareaholic for Pinterest. Here, this amazing tool enables you to share any image found on any web page or article directly to your account on Pinterest immediately. So for example, after activating this plugin in your Chrome browser, revert to any article like this one, for example, and search for your plugin, Shareaholic. That's it here. It enables you to activate all these images found on this article or this web page. Therefore, it enables you to just click over this button, save, and save this web page and article to your board on Pinterest. And for sure, it's completely for free. And the next tool quickly, that is Pinterest Love Pinterest Screenshot Saver. This awesome tool enables you to take a screenshot of a specific part of this web page to create your own pin. For example, just activate this one in your Chrome browser and over to this web page, for example, this one. Just go back. Then it's time now to tab your own Chrome extension like this one, Pinterest Love. Then you can find this short window pops up, enables you to pin screenshot here. So you can find this action. So just you can decide which part you want to take a screenshot of it, like this one, for example. Okay, and then click over this icon. So you can edit this one either by adding some arrows, some extensions, or something like that here. Okay, or this one. Draw something, okay, add some boxes around, and so on and so forth to highlight a specific important part in this screenshot. Then it's time now to save this editing and pin this screenshot directly to your Pinterest account. So it's more crucial if you want to actually promote something specific in your part away from the whole web page or this article. So this amazing tool is Pinterest Love Pinterest Screenshot Saver. And the next tool quickly, that is Pinterest Sort Extension sortpin.com. One of the most amazing tool here in this amazing Pinterest marketing tools, because by activating this amazing tool enables you to know how much engagement on these pins found on Pinterest regarding your search term. For example, here you can know how much comments, saves, likes, loves, and so on. Therefore, you can spy on its performance, how these pins attract more clicks, more impressions, and so on, either because of its appearance, image attractiveness, title, the tags, and so on. So for example, just activate this one on your Chrome browser, head over to pinterest.com, then it could be like this as you see. So here you can find for every single pin image or video how much engagement, like the likes, comments, shares, saves, and so on as you see, and even its duration as you observe. So either you can copycat its performance, how they get all these attention. So this Chrome extension is Pinterest Sort Extension Sort Pin. And likewise, this amazing tool, that is Pinterest Pin Stats Sort Pins. Here it's similar to the previous one. It gives you these stats as you see. There are comments, saves, likes, loves, and so on. And the next tool quickly, that is Promoted Pin Hider. For sure, as its name suggests, it gives you the only organic pins regarding its performance, headings, and so on, and just hide all these sponsored or ads pin images. So here it could be like this one, this before activating this Chrome extension, and this one after its activation. So these white spaces represent these ads or sponsored and hidden promoted pins. So the next tool quickly, that is Pinterest Ads Promo Remover. For sure, it's like the previous one here, just by hiding these sponsored and ads pins to know only all these organic pins. And the next tool quickly, for sure we all know it, that is tailwindapp.com, one of the most popular tool regarding Pinterest marketing because it enables you to schedule all your pins throughout the whole month or even the year. And likewise, this tool that is Planoly App Loader. And the next tool quickly, that is playground.com. For sure, we all know how bothering creating an attractive pin image on Canva or using Photoshop or something else. But here, this amazing website helps you more in this task because here it can generate a whole amazing attractive Pinterest pin using AI just by depending on these done for you ready to use templates. Here on playground.com you can find amazing and wide range of these templates including stickers, YouTube thumbnails, banners, book pages, and so on. So regarding our Pinterest marketing tools to generate your Pinterest pin image, here you can go to this selection that's social media post. Therefore, you can find a plethora of these amazing templates. So you can select one of them quickly, like this one, for example. Okay, then it's time to actually insert here your change you want in this Pinterest image. So for example, I just wanna change this heading to something else like how awesome you are or how to be awesome and something like that. So just change this heading to how to be awesome. Okay, that's it. And just click over this button and playground does this magic. As you see, how to be awesome. For sure, you can require something like change this image, make this model to wear something else as you want regarding your topic and your niche. Then it's time to export this image to your device completely for free. And the best part here, you don't actually not rely on these templates found on Playground, but also you can also upload any photo or screenshot you took from Pinterest out of inspiration to edit it as you want using AI. The same way here using these templates. And the next tool quickly for sure is ideogram.ai enables you to just insert here your description or prompt to generate a high quality, amazing, and attractive Pinterest pin image. And for sure, it gives you a free plan. And the next tool quickly, that is toolxox.com. Here, this amazing platform contains huge amounts of these AI tools for your work. Just includes something like for audio AI tools like face generators, filters, something for photo editing and so on, something for audio generator, for image, for video and so on as you see. And the best one that matter us in our today's video, that is SEO tools. Here you can get the best keywords from these popular platforms, including Noon, Etsy, Fiverr, DuckDuckGo, and much more, including this one, Pinterest keywords. Here gives you the best keywords regarding its suggestions from Pinterest. So for example, I just wanna add something. I wanna make a Pinterest pin about fitness leggings, for example, fitness. Then analyze, and just in few seconds it gives you back these amazing keywords. For sure, it's from Pinterest as I said earlier. Perfect. So you can use all these keywords in your titles, description, tags, and so on to get more traffic. And the next tool quickly, likewise here at top PuppleIndex.com for sure. If you are working on print on demand on Etsy, Redbubble, or even TeePublic, just you can know this amazing website. But the most importantly here, this section that says keyword tools. Here you can get the best keywords in each platform, including Pinterest keyword tool. Here you can look for something like fitness coach, and select your language and the target country. And just in Snap, it gives you these amazing results as you see with intent, search volume, regarding for sure Google, competition, competition index, and so on and so forth as you observe. And as shown in the top, I would give you a free bundle of the best free keywords in the most popular niches in a CSV file like this one. For example, here all these keywords and niches like photography, mindfulness, home workouts, and so on. So for example, if you go to something like cat keywords here, just open this file, go to page layout, and cheat right to left, and click the first column A, go up there to data, text to columns, delimited, next, check comma, next, finish. That's it. Here you can find all these keywords regarding your cat niche as you see with its ranking on Pinterest suggestions. So that's the one. Number one refers to the first rank here on Pinterest. Cat, the third place, the cat PFP, and so on and so forth as you see. And for sure here on CSV you can make a ranking and sort descending ascending as you like. Perfect, isn't it? And for sure I give you all these keywords completely for free from the link down below in the description box in the first comment. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.